Welcome to the vibrant world of parrots, where their colorful feathers and playful spirits come to life. In this captivating video, we will explore the incredible intelligence, unique vocalizations, and the beauty of their natural habitats. Parrots are renowned for their breathtaking plumage, displaying an array of vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Their feathers serve not only as a visual spectacle, but also as a means of camouflage and communication within their diverse habitats. Watch as these charismatic birds demonstrate their playful spirits. Parrots are known for their acrobatic abilities, often seen swinging, climbing, and hanging upside down, showcasing their agility and zest for life. Parrots possess remarkable intelligence and dexterity. Their beaks and claws are powerful tools that enable them to manipulate objects, crack nuts, and even solve puzzles. Their problem-solving skills and adaptability are a testament to their avian brilliance. Listen closely to the symphony of parrot vocalizations. These birds possess a wide range of calls, from melodious songs to squawks and screeches. Some parrot species have the remarkable ability to mimic human speech and other sounds, showcasing their vocal talents. As we explore the natural habitats of parrots, we witness their close association with diverse ecosystems. From the lush canopies of tropical rainforests to the colorful landscapes they call home, parrots play an essential role in pollination and seed dispersal, contributing to the biodiversity of their surroundings. Join us on this captivating journey into the world of parrots, where vibrant feathers and playful spirits intertwine. Let us appreciate and protect these charismatic wonders, ensuring their continued presence in our natural world. As we conclude our exploration, may the colorful presence and lively spirits of parrots serve as a reminder of the beauty and diversity found within nature. Let us cherish and safeguard these enchanting creatures, ensuring a harmonious coexistence between humans and our feathered friends. Be sure to subscribe or follow for more interesting facts about wild animals.